World. Hello world. Good morning. Go to work. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Go to work now. This is our routine to go the farm and build the kubo. Jennifer's bulo is so high. From the foot above the above the neck. It's a beautiful sunrise at beautiful mood. Baga na adlaw ya.
Ay, doon lang kita kumangyo. Sila ito niya adlaw. Ang gamat man.
Oh.
Nabasan nga.
Malasok mo na din kayo.
Sa.
Carabao is big help to the Filipino farmers. Hello guys, it's time to breakfast. Choy, do breakfast ka Choy? And also the vegetable to get it when yesterday over there. So then now it's cooked already. Filipino eating grass.
Filipino is very dirty because eating grass.
Oh, the breakfast time na. The water. Choy, mga Choy. And also fish. Fried fish.
Fried fish.
Adobo. Kumpaw. This is our routine every day. And a habit also. Edwin is put the bamboo stud. Botokan ang kilid niya. 1, 2, 3. First clean the surface of bamboo, remove the sharp edge. Going to finish the bamboo floor. And see the co start to the hole of swimming pool.
Hulog ka eh.
Abi ka na kasilyas. Kasilyas nga word siya, Choy. Ano na, Choy? Ng Spanish.
Spanish bread.
Spanish bread. Spanish bread. Sa ato niya, Pusinigro. Sa English siya, ano gani man? Septic tank. It's joking. Nanchid ako is already to... Ano naman? Wagi taos niya, taos niya no? Taos? Wagi support. It's already to water go inside. Patay to bag. The water line is so thin. Tiny hose. Need to bring a big hose. Maybe number 2 o number 3.
Muna talo?
It's okay.
Nasak?
Yeah.
Ninibil-nibil ya.
It's right. It's right. You're the chosen one. The chosen one. Jennifer for sure.
O kwayan ko na yan, nagsaludo. Naklanag na dong. Wah, ay. Ngayon ito yung tira.
Gak pala mahulay ni sa.
Pabrikado sa na.
Ano yung tapog sa English man? Dapog-dapog eh.
Dirty kitchen eh.
Sa dirty kitchen. Ha? Tinig ko nga kusina? Hindi.
Limpyo eh.
Limpyo. Cleaning kitchen.
Tadlong na.
Ha? No libil-libil. Use the ice to ice. Ice to ice contact.
Ice to ice gani.
Edwin is already put the bamboo stud. And Jennifer
We'll put the...
do it the ano, you do. And Chudako is break time. And brother Hilbert eating the mango. Heavy rains this afternoon. The fish pan is lot of water. Raindrops to the rock. In the rock. I'm going to finish this side because side is finished. Stop rain, please. Because I'm going now. Go home now. And Circus still here. Sleeping tonight. No puli-puli. Dia am talaban, aba? Si Circus, no puli-puli. Sige, nabiyag ya. Heavy rains. The bamboo floor is already finished. And it's been preparing for plastic. Because no plastic, if we go home, become wet.
Bala, alam gano'n na mabasakit ko ha.
It's cold afternoon. Rainy season. Okay. Gue. Guys. It's time to go home. Bo, nabe mo. Ha? Wah, kay sulog sa bag ko ron. Ha? Tubo na? Dugay ba? The corn is grow. After 3 days. Tulips. 2 or 3.